Hey guys, welcome back to Slow Travel Chronicles. My name is Stephanie. In this week's video, we travel to Grenoble, France from Nice. When we get there though, it's cold and rainy and I have an injured foot, so we didn't do much for the first couple of days. So in this week's video, I'll share the journey on the train, an Airbnb tour, and 3 grocery hauls. Let's check it all out. We just arrived in Grenoble, France. We're going to give you a tour of our Airbnb, and I'm at the doorway. There is construction next door, so you might hear some noise, but we're going to start in the living room. So this room has really tall ceilings. One of the pluses that I see is there's a big couch that I can lay out on, and there's a chair that Garrett says is comfortable, but that is his seat. So we have separate spots. We have a very large TV. They left an HDMI cable for us, which was a plus. They have some Matisse posters. So far we really like this place. Actually, I said we just got here. We got here last night, and we're taking this video the following morning. So if some of our stuff is spread out, it's not as pristine as when we first got here. So next we're gonna head into the kitchen. So we are in the kitchen. It's large. We have plenty of space to put our stuff. We did actually make a run to the grocery store late last night because it's supposed to rain all day. We have a dishwasher, which Garrett is thrilled about, so it's not him having to do the dishes. And we have almost everything that I think we want or need. We have a 3-burner cooktop. We have an oven. We have a microwave. We have a big fridge and a freezer. And we found this morning after we went to the grocery store, they have oil and lots of spices, but we didn't see it last night, so we bought salt and pepper. Guess we'll be taking that home. From the living room, there's a little hallway that goes down into the bathroom, and there's a water closet. Our bedroom, which we will show you here in a minute, is at the other end of the apartment, so we actually really like the layout, because that way when Garrett gets up early in the morning, he can close the door, turn the lights on, go to the bathroom, take a shower, go to the kitchen, make his breakfast, and he won't wake me up. So we'll see how that pans out over the next 2 weeks that we're here. First up, down the hall, we have a water closet, which is a toilet. The only issue I see in this whole place, well, 2, is that toilet is like a little kid's toilet. Like you hit your butt, it's so low. So that would be a ding. Into this main bathroom, the sink is really tall, but it's to accommodate this washing machine, and the instructions that I saw said this also has a dryer, so that's a plus. If that doesn't work, there's a drying rack behind the door. The shower is large, and there is a fan, so it doesn't steam that much. So far so good. Now let's head over to the bedroom. Back by the front door, so when you walk in, you go this way to the bedroom. It's very nice. It has a queen size bed, which we were on in a double for a month in Nice. So a queen size bed was great last night. We have a wardrobe where we can put our things. We haven't even unpacked yet. We have a chair. Garrett may see if he likes that one better to swap it out. A desk area. We have these curtains. They are blackout, but as you can see, these shades are rolled down to block out noise and light. So far so good. We just arrived in Grenoble. It's April 17th. It's our 25th wedding anniversary. We arrived at 8:30. Had to get to our Airbnb by 9 to get the key and check in. We were able to do that. And then we hightailed it to the nearest grocery store. So we had breakfast for tomorrow, Garrett was smart and he looked at the weather forecast. It's supposed to rain all day tomorrow, so we got enough at least to have dinner. Maybe not the most nutritious, but we have enough for dinner tomorrow. We forgot our receipt. What you see here was roughly 42 euros, and what we got was some ham lunch meat, some white bread, 4 apples. This is dinner tomorrow night. It is chicken cordon bleu, some sugar. We have some mayonnaise, salt and pepper because there were none here, tuna, green beans, paprika chips, milk, orange juice, cereal, store brand Coke for Garrett, Coke for me, decaf coffee, and we got some hand soap because there is none here. And that is what we got for 42 euros, which is roughly 46 US. Today is our second day in Grenoble. We have been here less than 24 hours. We made stops at 2 stores today. One was the grocery store, one was the American store. At the American store, we spent $12 US. At the grocery store, we spent $54 in euros, so roughly 60 bucks. So for $72, this is what we got. So at the American store, I found Monster tea and lemonade. Those were $6 US each, which is insane, but I haven't had them for a month, so I treated myself. The rest of this was the 54 euros. Here's what we got. We have some steak burgers that was on clearance, tortilla shells, chips, plain chips, chicken ramen, 2 tomatoes, a couple of apples, lettuce, eggs, hamburger buns. We have some butter, some cream cheese, some potatoes, pickles, salsa. We have some pesto ravioli, some chicken bouillon, some peas, some hot and spicy Pringles, tea, and paper towels. And that is what we got. Today is our, I guess, second and a half day, third day here in Grenoble. Is cold, overcast. We decided to lay low since I have an injured foot. We did manage to make a drink run to the Carrefour City right down the street. We spent 17.04 euros, which is roughly $19 US. We got 2 6-packs of Kronenberg, some tater tots for when we have hamburgers tomorrow night for dinner, some Carrefour brand iced tea, hopefully I will like it, Coca-Cola for me, and 2 generic Coke Zeros for Garrett, and that is what we got for 19 US. I hope you liked this week's video. Come back each and every Thursday to see where our adventures take us next. And as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, do all of the things, including checking out our blog at slowtravelchronicles.com. We'll see you next Thursday. Have a great week.